Hello, hello. Thanks so much for chiming in. I wanted to just take you all through this open house virtually. It's right here at 1037 Country Mill Road in Virginia Beach. We're sitting in First Colonial High School District, right around the Hilltop, North Great Neck area. Tons of shopping, close to the beaches, not too far to get on the interstate, or, there's beaches galore, either on the east side of you or towards the oceanfront. So really, really great location. I'm going to take you outside and get you started. Feel free to, as we do this, if you have any questions or need anything, you are welcome to write in, and I can actually answer them while we're on the live. Or if you just want to call me later, we can do that too. Get you turned around here. All right. So just a nice neighborhood. Let me show you. Got a brick front. Roof looks good. 2-car driveway. And this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,400 square foot. Listed right at $495,000. Here's your formal living room, because you do still have a family room in the back. It's going to be your half bath, storage closet. All right, let's start this way. The windows all look really good in the house. The house is built in 1985. It's on a slab. Great sizes. This dining room probably would comfortably fit an 8-person table, and then you also have your eating kitchen here. You're definitely buying some great square footage, good layout, and location. You're absolutely buying location here. Family room. And if you have any questions about the power of your VA loan or some of the negotiations that I would do on this house, please do give me a call, shoot me a text. We can talk about everything. You have your hot water heater in the garage, which is nice. Goodness forbid, but just in case. My little workstation for the day. Pantry. Storage closet. Half bath. All right, let me take you on upstairs. So this is the frog front room above the garage. Closets that span the entire wall. You could easily fit an entire entertainment center up here, or king-size bedroom set with no problems. This video will be staying on my Facebook page. I will also be uploading it to my YouTube channel. And if you want me to schedule a private tour in person, just give me a call or shoot me a text. Let's turn the light on here. There we go. That's the hall bath. That's the primary. We'll save the best for last. Good size rooms. Definitely twin size sets, but you could fit some queens in there as well. Just might not be doing cartwheels in the rooms. Here's your primary. Definitely can fit a king size bedroom set. I've seen this done here with a barn door that actually closes it off. You can definitely tell this home was built in the 80s for 2 reasons. 1, they did a lot of this, and then 2, they didn't put as many ceiling lights. So you have a lot of the outlets that control the lamps. It's a thing of the 80s. All right. All right, so I'm going to turn you around as I'm going down these stairs, and I'm going to take you out back. But again, if you have any questions or need anything, want to do a private tour, or even want to know how I would negotiate on this house, whether it be repairs, upgrades, closing costs, things like that, just let me know. But here we are. Let's go out back. Already has a doggy door for those that have fur babies. Looks like a newer deck. And great size yard, some beautiful rose bushes. Great size yard. All right, there you have it, 1037 Country Mill Road. Give me a call or stay tuned for more open houses. I'm actually doing one tomorrow too. So take care. Talk to you all soon.